Welcome to my channel. I will tell you briefly about the main news of the Ukrainian front. Now you will see a compilation of 13 videos from different locations in occupied Donetsk. Locals are posting videos to messengers and social networks, where the occupiers are shelling peaceful neighborhoods. In the video you can clearly hear the sound of the shot and 2 to 3 seconds later the sound of the explosion. This is only possible with self-fire, or there should be Ukrainian troops present in the city of Donetsk and there should be urban combat. But it is too early for Ukrainian fighters to launch an offensive in the eastern direction. Only the first option remains, shelling their own positions. At the same time, Ukrainian troops are targeting military facilities in the city of Donetsk. Right now, ammunition depots are being blown up. There are also explosions at railroad facilities. Witnesses say that there are direct hits on the headquarters and bases of the militants. When comparing these two news reports, one can conclude that the firing on the city by the militants is done for propaganda by Russian handlers to accuse the Ukrainian command and the military of hitting residential areas of the city. In order to divert the attention of the international community from Russia's shelling of Ukrainian cities and their infrastructure. It is now known that the second of the 4 largest ammunition and weapons depots in the direction of Popasna, Seversky Donetsk, Lysychansk, Bakhmut was destroyed. The first large warehouse was destroyed yesterday. There is also a video of witnesses on the channel.
Все горит.
Горят торговые палатки.
That's all. See you tomorrow.